Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. This video is going to be about the most common mistakes that were done on your writing assignment number 1. Hopefully this will guide you in order to edit your writing mistakes and avoid doing them in future writings. Okay, the first obvious mistake was in the introduction. We talked that an introduction needs 3 elements. First of all, it needs a hook. What's a hook? A hook is basically a catchy statement where I grab my reader's attention. It could be a quote, a very interesting fact, a question mark, something that would make my reader want to go on. Background information is general information about my topic. Let's say I'm writing about water pollution. Okay, pollution is our theme. Let's say I'm talking about water pollution. I would say water pollution is a widespread phenomena in many developing and developed countries around the world. Most water bodies on the globe are contaminated. Full stop. Remember, please don't give your main idea and the background info. Where does the main idea go? What I'm going to discuss in my essay. This goes in the third part, which is the thesis statement. What's a thesis statement? It's what I'm going to discuss in my essay. It needs to be very clearly written, okay? In the prompt, I usually ask you a question. Talk about the causes and effects of one type of environmental issue. Let's say you chose global warming. So what needs to go in my thesis statement? Where do I get my thesis statement from? I get my thesis statement from the question the teacher asked me. Okay? Global warming is a phenomena that stems from several causes and leads to devastating effects on our planet. Full stop. So when I read this, I know what you're going to discuss in your body paragraph, the causes and effects of global warming. It's that simple. Okay, remember this. A note: every time you finish your writing, if the introduction is less than 3 sentences, make sure it's sure that you have missed something. Okay, the second common mistake I found was the use of commas instead of full stops. When do I use a full stop? A full stop, whenever my idea is complete, please put a full stop and not a comma, or else the sentence would be too long and boring. It's called a run-on sentence. Let's take a look at this. Land pollution by pesticides leads to the poisoning of soil with toxic materials, and also it could lead to the consumption of contaminated fruits and vegetables. This sentence is very long since it contains 2 different ideas which need to be divided. Okay, a full stop is where I stop and take a breath. Look at the corrected version of this. Land pollution by pesticides leads to the poisoning of soil with toxic materials. Full stop. Moreover, it could lead to the consumption of contaminated fruits and vegetables. I organized my ideas into 2 separate sentences. Okay, the third common mistake was the lack of topic sentence at the beginning of a body paragraph. I wrote my thesis. Now, when I want to start writing my body paragraph, the teacher needs to know what your first body paragraph is about, okay? Causes of blah blah blah. You need to say that, okay? A topic sentence is the main idea of your whole body paragraph and needs to be written at the beginning. In addition, it needs to be a complete sentence. This is another common mistake. It needs the topic and controlling idea. Let's see the example of a wrong way to write a topic sentence. Causes of land pollution, full stop. Okay, what's that? That's not even a sentence. That's just a topic. Okay, there is no verb. There is no complete idea. What about that? Okay, look at the correct topic sentence. Land pollution, okay, there. Where's my topic? What am I talking about? Land pollution. Okay, that's the topic, but I also need a controlling idea to complete my topic sentence. What about land pollution? Land pollution has several causes. So I know that this paragraph is going to talk about the several causes of land pollution. Remember, you need a topic and a controlling idea in your topic sentence. Okay, finally, there's the issue of idea elaboration. Elaboration means explanation, okay? When you want to support your main idea, you present different ideas and elaborate on them. Let's take a look at a wrong type of supporting detail. Air pollution has several causes. Vehicles that consume fuel release huge amounts of CO2. Also, burning of garbage produces harmful gases. I didn't elaborate on my ideas. I did not explain. Look at the correction. Air pollution stems from several causes. To begin with, vehicles that consume fossil fuels release huge amounts of carbon dioxide, which is considered a toxic greenhouse gas. Okay, I said that carbon dioxide we release huge amounts of, so what if we release huge amounts of CO2? What is CO2? I need to say that it's considered a toxic greenhouse gas. Now I know more about the idea. Okay, and notice something, the use of transitional signals to begin with. Okay, why do we use transitional signals? Just to keep our essay coherent and flowing. Without transitional signals, our essay will be boring and incoherent, okay? So make sure you use those. And the following are the three main parts of an essay. Please remember that an introduction needs a hook, background information, and a thesis statement. Your body paragraph, your body part, supporting details. In grade 10 and above, we need 3 body paragraphs, okay? Body paragraph 1 would talk about, for example, causes of land pollution. Body paragraph 2, effects of land pollution. Body paragraph 3 would talk about the solutions to land pollution. The conclusion, you restate your thesis and you leave the reader with a final thought. Okay, make the conclusion somewhat personal, somewhat, advising, okay? So this is what an essay is. Hopefully next time we will do much better. Okay, and good luck.